Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change language within Amazon Prime. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Amazon Prime application on your device. And once you open it up, tap on your profile at the top right corner. From your profile page, tap on the gear icon at the top right. And now from the settings page, scroll down and then tap on language. Within the language settings, you will find various different options for languages that you can use for your account. Just scroll down and look for your desired language and then tap on the language that you wish to change into. You will then be asked whether you are sure that you want to change your language and that your application will restart for this change to take effect. Tap on the yes button and the application will restart with your preferred language right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your language within Amazon Prime. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.